Recently, I have observed very interesting and at the same time concerning trend in the AI industry. Everywhere we look, people are trying to apply AI to every problem. More specifically, some teams have started believing that if they're not using AI agents, they are somehow left behind the curve, partly because of YouTubers like me. As a result, some of the organizations are rushing to build AI agents for almost everything. But I believe this mindset can lead to unnecessary complexity, higher cost, and sometimes even poorer results. Before deciding to use AI agent, we should first understand the different ways a problem can be solved by using AI. I believe AI related business problems can be solved in five different ways. What are the five ways? The first way is you build a model from scratch. In some situations, the best solution is to build your own machine learning model or deep learning model. You can collect the data, you can clean it, you can do the feature engineering, train the model, validate the results, deploy it into production. For example, if you are using the model for predicting customer churn, you're building a model for loan default prediction, insurance fraud detection, demand forecasting, sales forecasting, predictive maintenance, house price prediction, credit risk modeling. In all these cases, these are all classical machine learning problems where the goal is to predict a number or a probability or a category or a future value. In the job market, there is a special admiration and loyal fan base for the people who know how to build models from scratch. I know some of my friends who particularly want to hire non-gen AI, non-agentic AI guys who can work on ML problems. The second approach, you can fine tune an existing model. Sometimes building a model from scratch is expensive or impractical. In such cases, we can take a pre trained model and fine tune it on our domain specific data. For example, legal document classification, medical text analysis, financial report categorization, industry specific chatbots. This approach saves time while still providing domain specific intelligence. The third approach is to use an LLM API. Sometimes the problem is primarily language based. Instead of training anything, we can simply call an existing LLM API. Examples are email generation, context creation, summarization, translation, meeting notes generation, report writing. In these cases, there may be no need to train or fine tune a model. The fourth approach is a RAG. You build a RAG, retrieval augmented generation. Sometimes the problem requires to access the company's specific knowledge. The LLM itself does not know your internal documents, policies, SOPs, or contracts, or product manuals. This is where RAG becomes useful. Examples company knowledge assistants, HR policy assistants, technical support assistants, internal documentation search, product information bots. Instead of training the model, we retrieve relevant information and provide it to the LLM during the inference. The last approach, or the most complex approach, is building an agent. Finally, we have AI agents. Agents are designed to perform tasks that involve reasoning, planning, decision making, tool usage, multi step workflows, communication, task executions. The examples here are customer support automation, recruitment assistants, research assistants, IT support automation, business process automation. Agents are powerful because they can think through multiple steps and interact with external systems. However, this does not mean every problem requires an AI agent. The biggest mistake in AI today that I feel is that some people are assuming that every problem needs an AI agent or any problem can be solved by building an AI agent. This is similar to having a Swiss army knife and trying to use it for every job, even when a simple screwdriver would do a better job for a specific task. Many business problems are fundamentally mathematical problems, not reasoning problems. And that distinction is extremely important. So, when you should prefer a traditional ML model, let us take some examples. Suppose your objective is to predict customer churn, forecast next month sales, estimate loan default probability, predict insurance claims, forecast demand, estimate customer lifetime value. So, what is the actual task here? The actual task is prediction. It's not planning. There's no reasoning. It is not tool usage. There is no conversation. It is just pure prediction. And the prediction is where traditional machine learning model shines. So, let me give you my reasons why I said do not use AI everywhere. Reason number one, when there is no reasoning chain required. The first question you should ask is, does this problem require reasoning? For many structured data problems, the answer is no. Imagine predicting whether a customer will leave a telecom company. You may have customer age, monthly charges, tenure, contract type, number of complaints, usage statistics. This is simply a mathematical relationship between the variables. The model job is to learn the patterns from historical data. It does not need to plan. The model does not need to think. The model does not need to use any tool. It does not need any memory. It simply needs to predict accurately. Reason number two. Agents add unnecessary complexity. A simple logistic regression or a decision tree or XGBoost model may solve problems beautifully. Now imagine replacing that solution with LLM, prompt engineering, agent framework, planner, memory, tool integrations, monitoring system, guardrails. Suddenly, a simple problem becomes complicated engineering project. More components mean more bugs, more failures, more maintenance, more monitoring, more infrastructure. The complexity should only be added when it creates real business value. Reason number three, deterministic outputs matter. This is very important reason. Many industries require consistency. Consider a bank. If the same customer applies for a loan today, again tomorrow, the organization expects the same risk score if the data remains unchanged. Traditional ML models provide consistent outputs. The same input produces the same prediction. AI agents and LLMs may produce slightly different outputs across different runs. For regulated industries, consistency is extremely important. Reason number four, traditional ML models are often more accurate. This point surprises many people. Just because LLMs are intelligent does not mean they are better at structured numerical prediction. In fact, for tabular data problems, logistic regression, decision trees, XGBoost, random forest, neural networks are often outperform LLM-based approaches. These algorithms were specifically designed for structured data. They have been optimized for decades. When the goal is prediction accuracy, specialized ML models usually win. Reason number five, explainability and regulatory compliance. Banks, insurance companies, healthcare providers, and government organizations often need to explain every prediction. Questions such as why was the loan rejected? Why was this claim flagged as fraud? Why is this customer considered as high risk? Must be answered very clearly to regulatory authorities. Traditional ML models support feature importance, feature engineering, sharp values, partial dependency plots, model explainability reports. And most of the LLM models are black box models. They take the input, they give you the output. So these are crucial for audit compliance. Many LLM based systems still struggle to provide this level of transparency. Reason number six, scalability. Large enterprises may generate millions of predictions every day. Imagine 10 million credit card transactions where a fraud model is running and predicting which transaction is fraud, which one is non-fraud. 5 million insurance records processed, 50 million recommendation requests in a day. Traditional ML models can handle these workloads very efficiently. Predictions can often be generated in milliseconds. This makes them suitable for large scale production systems. Reason number seven, lower operational cost. The reason why everybody started rethinking about AI adoption, the operational cost. Cost is becoming one of the biggest discussion in AI today. Many organizations are now discovering that running an LLM at scale is very much expensive. Every interaction consumes a lot of tokens, API calls, compute resources, and infrastructure. These costs accumulate very rapidly. In contrast, a traditional ML model can run for months or years at a fraction of the cost. For high volume prediction systems, the cost difference can be enormous. So when do I use AI agents? Does that mean everywhere I use ML models that are built from scratch? No, not really. Because many business problems are not just prediction problems. Sometimes there can be workflow problems. They may involve reading documents, understanding context, making decisions, using tools, communicating with users, coordinating with multiple systems. This is where AI agents really do a best job. So, the best enterprise architecture in many real world scenarios, the best solution is not just an ML model or not just an AI agent. The best solution is ML model plus an AI agent. If you take the example of loan approval system, you can build an ML model that will predict the default probability, that will give the risk score, that will give the customer category or approval likelihood. This is a very structured numerical problem, tabular data. We can use ML there. Now, AI agent can read the customer documents, verify KYC information, check the missing documents, review policy compliance, explain decisions, generate approval reports, generate rejection reports, notify stakeholders, send emails, update internal systems. So here, the model predicts, agent acts. Each component does what it is best at. So a simple rule to remember, whenever you encounter a new problem, ask yourself, am I trying to predict something? If yes, start with machine learning. Am I trying to automate a workflow involving document, decisions, tools, and communication? If the answer is yes, then consider AI agents. So the future is not about replacing everything with AI agents. The future is about choosing the right tool for the right problem. Prediction problems need ML models. Knowledge problems need RAG systems. Language related business problems need LLMs. Workflow related problems need AI agents. The most successful AI systems of the future will not be the ones that use most AI. They will use the ones that the right kind of AI in the right place. Once again, before you jump into AI agents, first ask yourself whether the problem can be solved by using a traditional machine learning approach. Interestingly, over the years, I have come across several tools that automate much of the machine learning lifecycle without requiring any of the prompts or agents or reasoning or chains or LLMs. One such tool I personally found very impressive is ExtremeML tool by Pro Data Science Company. In the next session, I'm going to walk you through some of the features of ExtremeML. My objective here is to not to compare it with AI agents. My objective is to demonstrate that there are many non-agentic AI tools that can automate complex machine learning workflows using deterministic logic and statistical methods. If a business process follows a predefined and repeatable workflow, we do not necessarily need prompts, reasoning engines, or memory systems or agents. Many of these tasks can be automated by using intelligent machine learning platforms like ExtremeML. Let's take a closer look, and it's damn interesting. ExtremeML is an advanced no-code machine learning platform developed by Pro Data Science Company for creating traditional machine learning models efficiently. The platform has been built by my mentor, Gopal Prasad Malakar, a seasoned professional with more than 3 decades of experience in data science and data analytics. Unlike AI agents and LLM-based systems, it does not require prompts, coding, or complex workflows. Using a simple GUI and intelligent defaults, user can perform data preparation, visualization, exploratory data analysis, feature engineering, model building, validation, and deployment with ease. The platform is especially useful for credit risk, insurance analytics, customer churn, fraud detection, forecasting, and other structured data problems. For deterministic, explainable, and cost-effective machine learning solutions, ExtremeML is an excellent choice. One of the first things you will notice in ExtremeML is its smart setup process. When a new project is created, the tool automatically selects only the minimum settings that are needed to get started. Instead of showing hundreds of options, it guides the user towards the most relevant step. This saves time, makes the tool easy for beginners to use. The platform has a smart dynamic user interface. As the project type changes, the available options also change automatically. For example, visualization projects show only visualization related options. A forecasting project, you will get only forecasted related options. A text analytics project will show you only text mining related features. A machine learning project shows you modeling related features. This makes the interface more relevant and removes unnecessary complexity. As soon as the dataset is uploaded, ExtremeML starts analyzing it automatically. The system also fixes naming issues. For example, hyphens are replaced with underscores. Invalid variable names are corrected. Naming inconsistencies are identified. The tool then generates a detailed data quality report so users can understand the condition of their data before building the models. Missing values are a common problem in machine learning projects. ExtremeML automatically identifies the variables that contain missing values and provides multiple options to handle them. Users can replace missing values with mean, median, mode, zero, or custom values. This helps to prepare the data quickly, consistently. One useful feature is code transparency. Every pre-processing step performed in the tool can automatically generate Python code, SQL code. This allows the data scientists and auditors to verify the transformations independently. Nothing is hidden in this platform. Feature engineering is usually one of the most time-consuming parts of machine learning project. ExtremeML can automatically create overall scores, count values, sum variables, maximum values, minimum values, aggregated metrics. This speeds up the feature engineering process significantly. Not only that, you can also do variable binning. The tool supports different binning methods, including range-based binning, percentile-based binning. Variable binning is especially important in banking, credit risk modeling, and scorecard development. The platform recommends suitable algorithms based on the target variable. For example, categorical target classification models, numerical continuous target regression models. This helps the users to choose the right algorithms quickly. This platform automatically finds the best bins while maintaining the logical business trends. This is particularly useful in risk modeling and scorecard development where consistent trends are expected. The tool automatically performs feature selection using statistical techniques such as Fisher linear discriminant ratio, Lasso regression. Variables are ranked based on their predictive strength. Multicollinearity is a common issue in regression model. ExtremeML automatically identifies highly correlated variables and removes unnecessary variables scientifically. It also clearly documents which variables were removed, why it was removed, which variable has been kept. This provides complete transparency. The platform automatically removes variables that are not statistically significant. It automatically generates p values, robust standard errors, robust beta coefficient. This helps to create statistically reliable models very easily. And there are model validation metrics. The validation process includes accuracy, precision, recall, lift charts, KS statistics, box dwell tests, etc. These metrics are commonly required in banking financial institutes. The tool supports one click out of time OOT validation. It also performs coefficient stability analysis, population stability index, PSI, population drift monitoring. These checks are extremely important for production ready machine learning models, especially in credit risk. When no target variable is provided, the platform automatically switches to unsupervised learning. It supports k-means clustering, can even suggest appropriate number of clusters also. Variable clustering is also supported. Before clustering the customer's records, the platform performs variable clustering. This helps to reduce the redundancy, improves the cluster quality. Explaining clusters is often difficult. ExtremeML automatically creates business-friendly interpretations, variables that are categorized as moderate, high, critical. This makes the cluster results much easier to understand. The platform provides advanced visualizations such as tree maps, sunburst charts, interactive bar charts. User can drill down into categories and explore the data visually. The tool automatically generates dashboards containing revenue, profit, KPIs, key performance indicators, business metrics. Color coded ribbons help decision makers understand performance quickly. The system automatically identifies problematic variables and alerts the users about the possible issues. For example, it may recommend removing high variance variables that could affect the model performance. Once the model is ready, deployment becomes very simple. The platform supports pickle file exports, SQL code generation, Python scoring code generation. This makes the production deployment much easier. One of the most important features of ExtremeML is explainability. Unlike many black box AI systems, ExtremeML explains every major steps. It provides statistical reasoning, variable selection logic, validation metrics, formula-based explanations, business interpretation. This is very important for organizations that need transparency, governance, regulatory compliance, and trust in AI systems. This brings us back to the main message. Not every AI problem needs LLM. Not every automation problem needs AI agent. For structured data, for numerical prediction, for forecasting, risk modeling, and traditional analytics, the deterministic machine learning mod solutions are still extremely powerful, highly explainable, highly scalable, much more cost effective. ExtremeML is a great example of how much automation can be achieved without prompts, without agents, and without LLMs, while still providing enterprise grade machine learning capabilities. You go ahead, explore ExtremeML. I'm leaving the company and the tool details below. You can also connect with Mr. Gopal Prasad, the creator and the driving force behind this platform. If you're interested in learning more, scheduling a demo, or exploring a reliable, scalable solution for your organization, don't hesitate to reach out to him.